Today we are introducing you Crystep Amatec XP2i digital test gauge calibration procedure. Test gauge range 10,000 psi. First we are connect the test gauge in the deadweight tester. Next we are connect the serial cable RS232 cable connected to the unit. Software already installed the PC. Open the software. Connect. Okay. Now digital reference gauge data is showing in the software. This is serial number, range, model number, unit, and zero trimming. Convert port. This is a auto detector. Common 3 already connected. Load configuration, load factory default configuration, save configuration, set password. Update. If you do any changes, you can update from here. And as received condition, as left condition, language changing area. Next we are doing the calibration. Select the user span wizard and enter next. Enter the 50% of value. The valve and insert the weight. Now apply the pressure. Now the weight is lifted. Red zone area. Now digital gauge is showing 4989 psi. Next, tick the usage display area. Now the display is showing 4989. Next, apply the 100% of value, that is at 10,000 psi. Is showing 9978 psi. You can apply the next and the calibration is finished. Update the gauge, then yes. Okay, this is as left and as received conditions. As received condition, user span is 1. As left conditions 1.00215. Now display is showing 10,000 psi. Next we are checking the 5-point reading verifications. Now we are applied 2000 psi and generate the pressure. Now 2000 psi is applied. Display is showing 1999 psi. Next weight we are insert. Now total weight 4000 psi. Is showing 3999 psi. 6000 psi. Now reference gauge is showing 6000 psi is steady. We are applying the 8000 psi. Now reference gauge is showing 8001 psi. Now display is showing 998 psi. Now calibration and verification is completed. Next disconnect. Okay, now unit is disconnect. Remove the cable from the unit. This is the normal calibration procedure under testing scenario for crystal digital test gauge XP2i.